Okay, let's get a look at this one. This is again the Hoto 12 volt brushless drill kit. Design Award 2022. Not surprised, eh? She's a bit streamlined. Nicely boxed again. Very fancy looking. I thought this was just going to be a wee flimsy box. That's actually quite rugged. That's a solid box here. I thought it was just going to be a flimsy plastic, no wee bendy thing. That's not. That's quite nice. Look at that. Even fancy clasps. Well, this is a full wee toolkit, eh? I thought this was just a wee drill. Look at this. What a wee multipliers. This is a proper wee home toolkit. This is cool, man. This is a perfect wee kit for home DIYer. Nice wee hammer, nail starter and all on it. Look at that. Nice flat face on it. This was not what I was expecting at all. Wee multi screwdriver again. Taking different size drill bits. Even has a wee silicone boot for the hammer. Turned it onto a little mallet. Look at that. There's tape as well. That's just a designer toolkit there, hey? And of course the main event, the drill. Look at her, it's like a wee mini hairdryer. Oh, what? Oh, that's just too fancy even for me. Variable speed. 2 speeds. Look at that. Wee 10mm chuck on it. And look how tight she is. That'll even hold a 1mm bit. That'll be nice for the wee fine bits of work here. One solid battery built in. USB charge on it. That's all you really need for home use, like, to be quite honest. So basically, what is it? What have we got? It's a DIY home tool kit, basically, all in one. Hand tool this side, on your most common power tool, cordless drill. 12 volt cordless drill, lithium batteries, USB charged with 10mm chuck, forward reverse, 2 speeds, and a variable speed at the back, plus pulse mode. That's basically what you're getting. It's a nice wee tool. It's quite comfortable to use. It's not going to do any heavy work. It's basically designed for home use. It's got everything you need to do for at home. A couple of drill bits and a couple of bits for drilling, which are actually long ones as well, which is useful, to be quite honest. So what doesn't this thing have as a cordless drill? So you got drill mode and screw mode. No screw mode, it's just drill mode. 1 and 2 speeds. High speed, low speed. Screw mode normally indicates a clutch. There's no clutch in this here. You just torque her out. Low speed then, there's no stopping it. There's no clutch at all. You're not paying for a clutch, it's just a small drill. Hammer mode, non-existent, which it should be, because this, any cordless drill, hammer mode is absolutely useless If hammer mode was on this drill, I would automatically say this is just a piece of crap. No hammer mode. Actually, it's just designed as a proper wee drill. I hate hammer modes on cordless drills. They're pointless. They just destroy the drill if anybody actually uses it. So that's a nice wee drill. Good that it has no hammer mode. 2 speeds, forward, reverse, and a bit of speed selection on the back, as well as pulse mode, which is, again, useless. So what have we got? Exactly what it looks like. It's a designer toolkit. So you want a nice wee toolkit for home, something pretty to look at, only needing for odd wee jobs. Perfect for anybody. Got yourself a nice toolkit to begin with. Everything you're going to need for a wee bit of home DIYing. And you got your drill as well. Drill bits for screwing, drill bits for drilling. Drill itself. Nice wee drill. Small, compact. And then there is actually a variable speed on the switch as well. So no battery to take out. Batteries are built in, charged with a USB. Yeah, nice wee unit it is. Actually a nice wee toolkit for anybody starting out. Got their own wee first house or something. Your wee bits odd jobs DIY. It is actually a nice wee kit. And look at that. It's a nice wee box. Like a wee designer lunchbox. Yeah, that's nice. For what it is, it's quite good.